The UDPOWER S1200 Solar Kit is an exceptional portable power solution, providing robust and reliable energy backup for your home, RV, or outdoor adventures. Its impressive 1800-watt pure sine wave output ensures that you can safely power sensitive electronics such as refrigerators and power tools without any voltage fluctuations. Equipped with a 120-watt foldable solar panel, this kit harnesses solar energy efficiently with a 90-degree adjustable stand, making it ideal for off-grid use. The long-lasting LiFePO4 battery technology is a standout feature, offering over 4,000 charge cycles while maintaining 80% capacity, ensuring longevity and reliability. With a versatile 15-port charging hub, you can power over 10 devices simultaneously, including laptops, phones, and even CPAP machines, making it incredibly versatile for any situation. The compact design and IP65 dust and water resistance make it perfect for any weather conditions, ensuring your power supply is protected wherever you go.